So Gauth is designed to make studying easier across many subjects like math, physics, chemistry, history, literature, geometry, and much more. So in this video, it's going to be a beginner-friendly guide to Gauth AI. So as you can see, this is the interface, and at any time during this video, if you want to get Gauth AI, make sure you guys click the first link in the description. So as you can see here, you have the homework section. So here you could be uploading a question or anything, and you could be getting answers for that. So here you can get answers for maybe math or calculus or chemistry, biology, business, social science, and much more. So let's have a look at how this works. So I have a question in hand, and let's see if it can answer it. So yeah, so this is the question. So as you can see, we have got the answer, which is -1 in like seconds. So it is like one of the options, and it has basically found out. So this was given was x minus 3 is equal to -1. We can rewrite it as like this, and this is how the answer was found. So this is exactly how you could be using Gauth AI to solve your problems. No matter what you input into this AI tool over here, it's basically going to give you the answers. Now, in case if you want to choose any specific type, you can just go ahead, maybe press on chemistry, and you're going to be redirecting to the resource part, and we have come to chemistry over here. And here you could be seeing all the type of questions regarding chemistry. And also there is like a knowledge base in which you could be seeing all the type of question, and it goes on and on and on. So these resources can also help you study a lot. You can get a lot of questions and as well as a good knowledge base. And then we have the calculator over here, in which you can get the functions, and you can, if you want the functions, you can keep the function. If you don't want, you can keep it like this. Right now it is the basic calculator. And if you want the alphabets in, you can keep that as well. And also we have this greater than, less than, equal to. And also we have a word problem. So if there is any word problem that you don't know, you can, again guys, you can just upload over here and you can get the answers. And in the homework section, you also get this calculator over here, and you can access the calculator by this way as well. And now you have the blog section. So in the blog section also you get a knowledge base, and you can get a lot of articles about blogs, and if there is something that excites you, you can go ahead and click it. So there is a lot of blogs, it goes on and on and on. And there is also like knowledge point over here. Here also you can see a lot of blogs, and again it goes on and on and on. So if you want to get more knowledge, you can get to the resources and blogs and find a lot of things. And also talking about the app, it's very powerful, and this is like one of the best ways to use Gauth AI, because in the computer, the features are pretty limited. But if you go to the Gauth AI app, you could be literally taking a photo of the particular problem that you don't know, and you could easily get the answers in second. And also to talk about Gauth AI is not free. So for every answer, 1 credit is being used. So in order to get more credits, you might have to get the pro plan. So right now I had 6 credits, which is basically free once you get into Gauth AI through my link. And after that, it's going to be paid, and you guys have to like pay credits for every answer that you get. So regarding the pricing and all of that, you could be seeing inside of the app. So go ahead and download it, and guys, make sure you click the first link in the description. So that's basically it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.